As you look at the taskbar, you notice right down here, down in the right hand corner, you have some icons. Now, these here are called the system icons. And then if you click on here, the upward arrow or the downward triangle, whatever you want to call it, then what you're going to see is some of the notification icons. The idea is this, that you can be notified for different things going on inside of your computer if the system seems that it thinks that you should be notified about it. Now, how do we change this? How do we customize this? You probably guessed it. We simply click on Customize. And that brings this up. Select which icons and notifications appear in the taskbar. So there's icons and there's notifications. Two different things, and that'll help you understand what we're looking at here. Now, let's go back down here and take a look at this flag. This flag, as you may know, as you may not know, is called the Action Center. It's different things that the computer system itself, the Windows 8, says, hey, you need to take action on this. Let's say you haven't done backups. That's an action item. So you can see that we have this set up to solve PC issues. You got one message in there. Now watch this. So if we want to get rid of that, if we don't want to know what's happening on our computer or what notifications the Action Center is giving us, we can do this. Hide icon and all notifications. Now let's go back down here. And what's missing? The flag. So depending upon how you like to set your system up, what you like to see, what you like to get notified about, you can change that. Let's switch it back. Icon and notifications, and the flag is back. The other ones, notice the network. We can hide the network. We can, the default here, you can get rid of that, and that is where you have the speaker volume. And then just scrolling down here, this is customized stuff, right? You're not going to necessarily have this on your computer. These are different things that I set up. And in fact, it just installed iPoint moments before. I guess because I have a Microsoft keyboard, but I have a Logitech mouse. So I hoping those two work in unison. Coming back down here to these notification areas. So how do we set this up to either lose that or offer another one? We can come down here to the system icons on or off. These system icons are going to be the big ones. The ones that we see here in the bottom right-hand corner. So the clock, I've turned the clock off because that's going to date this video that you see here. But you can see I can turn that clock back on. 12:09/128/2013. Let's go ahead and turn that back off. And the volume, we can actually turn that off so you don't see it. Now, would that notify us if we have something different in here? No, it wouldn't. It's completely off. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and then we'll see. We'll go ahead and scroll down here a little bit. See the last one here, input indicator. And this is probably obvious to you, but multi-language folks, they might have 2 or 3 languages on their computer. So there we go. We have English. English is the input method. The United States and England have different keyboards, by the way. We can turn that on, we can turn that off. So here we are, input indicator. We're going to go ahead and turn it back off. You can set this however you want. And if you set it too wild to where it's really not functioning for you anymore, look down here. Restore default behavior icons, or rather, restore default icon behaviors. So you can set this up however you want. You're not going to mess up too much, but set it up whatever suits you. I like looking at the clock down there. I like being informed of the volume and if my network is on or off, but I don't like some of the other ones. Set it up how you want, and that is the notification area in the taskbar with Windows 8.